Hey guys, Rachel here, and I'm going to show you a pre-owned Jayco, and I'm super excited. It is practically brand new. It is in great condition, so I'm excited to show you guys. I'm excited to show everybody. So please let me know if you have any questions or if you want to come see it. I do work at the Waco office. My information is below. So as for Rachel, I make these videos. I love doing it, but I actually do work here. So let's go from the outside in, and you guys let me know. Let's go. We got the Jayco Eagle Series. It's a 2022 model 284BHOK. We've got a nice big old slide on this side, and like I said, it is fiberglass. And again, in perfect condition. I mean, the sparkle is still in there. And see if I can open this with one hand. Nope. There we go. Nice and big space right here. Got a nice long awning right there. And then I believe, yep, we got an outdoor kitchen. You do have, well, I might check just to see, make sure. Yes, get a fridge, storage space, outlets, sink, you name it. Love it. And then of course you do have your backup camera prep and then the emergency door if needed. Let's take a look inside, guys. All right. Like I said, perfect condition, so nice. All this space too, it's just so much space. So you got theater seating. Across from that, you do have your entertainment. You've got a fireplace, sound bar, storage. Looks like, yep, more storage. Love that. Over here we've got a bunk which goes all the way across. I love how big these bunks are. That is awesome. Storage up there. And then you can of course lift this up so you have more storage right there. And that's also of course where your emergency door or exit door, easy access door is. And if you notice, there are little hooks right there. So if you have a bike or whatever that might be, you can hook them up. And then oh, it's just a ladder to grab hold of that and a little cubby here. Very nice. And then this door right here leads to our bathroom that is massive. So you got cubbies, nice big shower. Plenty of room for the toilet so you're not going to bump your knees. I love this bathroom. It's actually really nice. Nice and big. Love it. All right, down here we've got our kitchen with a nice big dinette that goes into a couch or a bed. So everybody has a place to sit. I love that. It's got storage, of course, underneath. And then across we do have our beautiful kitchen with beautiful, I love how they do this. I love that look. We got drawers and storage, nice big counter space. Love the backsplash. You got a 3-burner. A nice size oven, and then you do have your microwave and a nice size sink. Actually, it looks, yeah, two sides. And then a nice big fridge. Love that as well. All right, and then right here we've got our master bedroom. Nice and big, plenty of room to walk. And then you do have drawers right there, cubbies. Love that. And then drawers on the side, or storage on the side. Little tables on the side, lights above you, so if you a reader. And then this bed is really comfy. It is really nice and big. And then you do have your entertainment already in here, which is really nice. And then of course your barn door style. Actually, it's a pocket door style. Love it. So if you guys want to come and see it, have questions, feel free to reach out. It is a 2022 pre-owned unit in great condition, great price. Let me know. My information is below, of course. Call, text, email, ask for Rachel. Would love to help you out. Until next time, guys.